In Melbourne CBD, every building is different. Tight access, high foot traffic and complex architecture make bird control a real challenge. Safe Spray designed and fabricated a complete bird deterrent system, including custom fabricated fittings to secure netting seamlessly around the building's contours. This system featured custom lockable access hatches, allowing safe, easy maintenance without disturbing the netting. The result is a strong, discreet and long-lasting solution that blends into the facade and provides reliable protection against pest birds. Safe Spray, engineered bird netting solutions built to last.